Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up Turbo VPN on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now click open. Then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad. Then click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.